Want to know how to rename stack on Evernote? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you're as well. Now tap on the three parallel lines on the top left corner. Tap on Notebooks below all notes. Tap on this particular stack that you want to change the name of. And just by tapping it for a few seconds, two of the options will pop out on your screen. The first one is rename stack and add to shortcuts is the second one. Tap on rename stack and cancel all of the names. Now rename the stack as per your choice. You can add emojis as well. When you're done, tap on this OK option next to cancel. Just by doing it, you can see that the name of your stack has been changed. That means you have just successfully renamed your stack. This is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.